In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Confluence. This is especially helpful if you use more than one workspace, or you have both a personal and a company account, and you need to move between them quickly without logging out and back in every time. First, make sure you're already logged into Confluence in your browser. Once your Confluence homepage is open, look towards the very top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see your profile area. This is usually displayed as either your avatar, your initials inside a small circle, or a profile photo if you've uploaded one. Move your mouse to that top right corner and click on the profile icon. This click opens a small drop-down menu. It may contain several options related to your profile and settings, but for this video, we're going to focus on the option that lets you move between accounts. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Switch Account. The wording may be very similar depending on your Confluence version, but it will clearly mention switching accounts. Go ahead and click on Switch Account. When you click this, Confluence will show you the other accounts that are associated with your login or browser session. In many cases, you'll see a list of accounts that might correspond to different companies, teams, or sites you have access to. Simply select the account you want to use next. After you choose it, Confluence will reload and take you into that account space with its own pages, permissions, and settings. If you don't see the account you expect, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, make sure you've been invited to that Confluence site and that you've accepted the invitation using the same email address you're currently logged in with. If you use multiple emails at work, it can be easy to mix them up. Also, remember that your browser may cache sessions, so if the correct account isn't appearing, you might need to sign out completely and sign back in with the right